Good morning, Henny. We've got a wonderful session ahead of us today, and our challenge is remember that small steps make giant gains. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on the whole process.
Yeah, good morning, Peter. Yeah, I think it's something that's been spoken of about so much, but it's still so true even in the rush day that we live in right now. Um, I, Robin Sharma starts off with a very powerful statement in the beginning of this little gem that says a truly wealthy life happens more from evolution than revolution. And that kind of excites me because it sort of touches on process again, to say there is a process that needs to happen. Even if you have all the right inputs, if you do not follow your process, you will never reach the output you need.
And I think that is so important. And he talks about the consistency, and that's the theme that comes up. Small, daily, seemingly insignificant improvements, when done consistently over time, lead to stunning results.
Now, the second thing that I picked up here as well for me, Peter, that stood out quite a bit, sort of brings us back to the present. Robin mentions here, your days are your life in miniature. If you were to just sit back and think about a normal day in your life, what happens in it? What are the small steps you're taking every day? Is all of those little steps taking you towards something? And we've spoken about it so many times, Peter, the Jalles method that you introduced me to. What gratitude have I? What have I learned during the day? And what are the successes that I had through my day? If I use those small little things as ticking boxes to say I had a very awesome day, I'm living in the present, then I think that is what Robin Sharma was talking about here when he says that consistency every day.
Yes. There was a statement that you wanted to make, which you haven't made yet. Do you know which one it was?
I think I've made it once. I know he spoke about the pyramid in there as a process as well. That's all I can really remember of. But the pyramid for me was also very interesting. And the focus on the pyramid was the pyramid consists of a whole bunch of blocks that had to be made. And it was just a case of assembling all these blocks. So a lot of effort was put on the process to say, make sure that we've got the blocks ready so that when we start this process of assembly, all the blocks are there. So once again, it gets back to your consistency and it just being consistent every day.
He told us how to judge our days, and he said, don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. I thought that was very powerful.
That's the quote from Robert Stevenson. Yeah, I agree with you. So, sometimes we expect miracles, and we I think it gets back to celebrating the small victories, but also being grateful for what's happened during your day. To say, I've had a great day. There's a lot that happened in my day, and a lot of it is the consistency or still part of the process that will take me to where I need to get to.
And I think on that note, we'll just leave it for our listeners with a question of saying, what seeds are you planting today?